So today I'm here with Pericles, and I want to work on leading from behind. So I thought this would be a great opportunity for me to share with you how to move into the 3 phases of leading from behind. So at first I'm going to make sure that when I bring my horse into the area that I'm going to work with him in it, that he's very relaxed and connected to me. And once he's in this state of mind, if I was to ask him to do something that he didn't want to do, and I wanted to see if I could bring back the willingness in my horse, then this is the exercise that I would choose to perform. So here we are. I'm going to walk around with Pericles, and I'm just going to see, what happens. Okay, so Pericles is very connected to me right now, and so what I'm going to do is I want to demonstrate how I would begin leading from behind if I wanted to just practice this exercise with my horse. So what I'm going to do is disconnect from him a little bit just to demonstrate this exercise. So I'm just going to walk away, and I'm going to come back around in front of him, and I'm going to ask him to move. That wasn't a very good disconnect, so let's try that again. I'm going to come over here, wait, just wait there. And I'm going to get in front of my horse a little bit, and I'm just going to ask him to go. Good boy. And I'm just going to follow. So it's very important that while I'm doing this, I'm not trying to line my feet up behind my horse or maneuver myself in any way. He needs to go in the direction that I focus my energy and my attention on. Now there's a little bit of a nuance to this because you do need to be able to direct your horse and keep him moving. So this would be considered the first phase of leading from behind. You're at a distance. I could be way over here. I could be way back there. But still, ultimately, I can lead him from behind. And I'll show you that I'll be lagging behind a little bit more right now. And I'll show you what it's like from a far distance. But this is still phase 1, at a distance from your horse, but behind that center line of the horse, so that you do not get in front of him and have him turn and face you. So we know that leading from behind is the lead position. Lead horses lead the herd from behind normally. So this is what we are emulating here in this exercise. So we're taking the leadership position and directing our horse. So I'm getting in front of my horse, so I'm going to have to go this way a little bit. Come on. Walk on. So the second phase of leading from behind, whoa, whoa. The second phase of leading from behind would be when I get a little bit closer to my horse and lead him from that amount of distance. Now, a lot of times, horses will get nervous and run off. And if that happens, all you do is keep following at a slow pace. So I'm going to come up and I'm going to get a little closer to Pericles and I'm going to ask him, walk on. So this is phase 2 of leading from behind. I would be at a closer proximity to my horse. See it go around the cameraman here. There we go. Good. So I just demonstrated to you phase 1 and 2. Phase 3 of leading from behind would be when I'm holding my hand on his hip and leading him from behind. So I'm going to show you what that looks like now. So you can start by companion walking if you have that with your horse, which I do. Or you can just walk up to your horse's hip and see if you can ask him to go forward. So I'm going to do that right now. Walk on. Okay, so that was really nice. Well, so what you want to do is to kind of be able to guide your horse while you're leading him from behind. And this is a beautiful exercise that Carolyn put together for us because it translates so beautifully to when you're in the saddle. Because after all, we are behind our horse when we're on top of him, aren't we? And we are directing him from behind as such. So this is a beautiful exercise that helps horses that have fear or they're insecure become a little bit more confident, and it also takes dominance out of dominant horses. So horses are always looking for our leadership, and when we lead them from behind in this way, it just makes them feel so secure. They need a leader, and we need to lead. So I hope that helps you understand this exercise.